We farmed all our lives, my family, and my son farms with me. And our primary crops here are corn, soybeans, wheat. We have 3 other four-wheel drive tractors, and we've had good luck with them. We've ran duals for years and years. We didn't want to go to tracks. To me, everybody has a different, they ride rougher, but you put tracks on a combine, they really ride rough. A lot more wear and tear and maintenance, and as I understand it from neighbors or people's got them. Trade-in value is hard to recover a lot of that. Here in Southern Illinois, we have lighter soils. This ground gets run over by heavy equipment. When we get these rains, it seems like if it just rains a ½ inch, the water's standing kind of on top of the ground for, gosh, a day or so. Well, it can only go in about that far, and that's where it sits. There's a compaction layer there. And if they don't believe me, just get a soil penetrometer and go out there and check it, and it'll tell you in a hurry what's going on. Dealership in Charleston, Missouri, I bought the tractor from. We got on that subject, and he kind of hinted around that there's several farmers down there, or at least a considerable amount of farmers, buying these larger tires. But it don't hardly make a mark, they said. It don't hardly make a mark in the field. So if you're staying on top of the ground, you're getting more done. But the 1400s, if you measure them, give or take a couple inches, they're the same footprint as a track does. We just went for lower cost, ease of operation. You're going to get your efficiency out of it for a lot less money. This year we've used a lot, and they're really performing. They're really performing. Even if it's not wet, if it's just nice and mellow or even dry, then you're reducing your compaction. It rides smooth. I mean, it just sits there, and that tractor just grabs in and it goes with it now. Now it'll make it talk, but that tractor got enough horsepower. I don't even know what's something behind there. We just don't get any power hop. To me, we haven't lost the game. We've just gained less compaction. We've gained better fuel savings and less maintenance. Goodyear's got a good thing going here. It's just simple arithmetic, simple math, simple business. I guarantee in another year or two, I'll see 3 more sets around here of them tires on there. Simpler is best. Simpler is best.